All right, guys, I know I said it, I will come back tomorrow, but I just found this opportunity. It matches everything we do at Hawkeye Traders, and also it works with my strategy, my research, my core research, SDF, Statistical Disruptive Flow. And what I found is an opportunity that is it has timing, and it's bullish. So you want to maximize that opportunity, right? Let's take a look. I'm talking about SOFI, ticker SOFI. Now, let me just show you what I found, and I think you are interested first. What we do at Hawkeye Traders, we combine 3 time frames. Now, if we start in the short term, we look at how it's bouncing. We already have Hawkeye trends plus stops is green. We matches our heat map. That is bullish for us. If I were to take a look also at the daily, hey, look at this. Big dip back to 1525. That was back on the last week of September. And now look what it is, huh? Hey, from 1525 right there, Hawkeye trends plus stop just guided everyone to take that trade, buy the dip, and right now that position is up 19.30%. But it's not over yet because now we're having a breakout of the previous high from September 27. That is bullish. And finally, on the weekly, hey, what do we have? We have light green. That means that we are just beginning. This is the beginning. And if I were to study a little bit SOFI, S-O-F-I, SOFI, depends on how you want to pronounce it, I have lots of liquidity back to $20.98. That's what I have. I look at the daily, potentially, not only that, I will have some liquidity back at $21. And finally, I will be closing this cycle back at $25. That's the high on June of this year, June 2 of this year. So there's a lot of opportunity. And today what I'm thinking is we found a disruption in the flow. We found that opportunity that can maximize the next 5 days, if you want to call it next 5 days in this particular opportunity. So if we're looking for a move between 15 to, I will say, 20%. Again, 15 to 20%, then what would you rather have? Would you rather buy? And it's fine because it's bullish on the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly. But how do you maximize that? Just buying shares? Use margin? No. What you do then is you use less capital and you go for the options. And I found the strategy that I want to follow and share with you because I think it's a no-brainer opportunity. I'm looking at potentially, there are 2 ways that you can look at this. When you look at the most active, then you always have opportunities like this one. Look at what's happening on the 20 call. This expiration is on October 22nd. That's a weekly expiration. That's the next week. So we have a little bit of time, and we are going to let the stock do what it has to do. Although it's bullish, you want to have a little bit of time. Still risky, but you do have some time, all right? Now, when you look at the 20, what is happening here is that we already have some decent open interest, 1,600 contracts, okay? Now, there's an increase of 5,595. That's not really unusual. That's just an increase where everyone is accumulating. Now, take a look at the next one. Open interest for the 2150, it's only 33 contracts. But now, suddenly, out of the blue, someone just dropped. And we can argue all day the differences between, it's nothing, just someone betting. I don't think so. That's very unusual. Something is happening. So our algorithms at PFG, they just figure, and soon we're working with our publisher to bring a new interface that all of you can see and think, okay, this is exactly what is happening. But what I'm doing now is just to give you a little bit of sort of guidance and difference for you to really pinpoint where you have that unusual. Now, you can do this yourself, or you can let some dedicated team like my team at PFG to do this for you. You know, we're hands-on everything that is happening. So you save a lot of time getting our research, and that's what's happening. So today I'm not going to ask you only to take a look at our professional package at Hawkeye Traders, But at the same time, I want you. It won't be on this on the description of the on this video. It will be on our regular editorial. We send 2 editorials for the Hawkeye Traders community. And if you're not subscribed, I really encourage you to go to the website hawkeyetraders.com and subscribe so you can get those editorials. Well, you will have also the opportunity to go to my presentation. It's a broadcast, and you will exactly know how we do it, how my team does it, and why you have to get our service. But today, I want to let you know this is bullish. We are using all the tools to give us that advantage. Right now, I'm going to go with long, the 2150 call, October 22nd. I think you can get it somewhere. I'm going to see the timing. I will say pay no more than 40 cents. That's the 2150. Right now, the ask is 15 cents. I will say, okay, if it's 15 cents, pay no more than 25 cents. All right? Pay attention to what you're paying. And I'm looking to at least conservative, that will be a 200%. So if you're in a rush, if you want to just flip your position, go for a quick buck, then you're looking to take advantage of volatility and how bullish this particular stock is right now. Look at that, 1839. So I'm going to let you go. I'm going to publish this, ask the team at Hawkeye Traders to get it out because you want to be long SOFI going into the next week. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, SDF. Again, SDF. Statistical Disrupted Flow. Ciao.